Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. As you can see, today I'm out here in my backyard. I love bees. I've grown up with bees. Bees are awesome, honestly. Now, as you can see, it's really hot out here. I'm sweating away, just about ready to die. And our bees need water. It's been so hard to try to figure out how to get these guys water without them raiding the neighbors' pools. I'm sure some of you guys get complaints or trying to figure out how to water them without having any issues. So it took me a little bit, and I've tried a few different things, and I think I finally got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we did. All right, guys, now here is a secret to my watering success. Let me explain a little bit about why I chose this particular chicken watering system. So for one, it's cheap. I bought mine at a local ranch store here in town, but you can grab yours off of Amazon for a good price. I'll make sure to go ahead and leave you guys a link in my description for anything that I used on this. Also, it's the right size. Lots of people have tried to use kiddie pools, bird bass buckets, you name it. I've done the same thing. None of them worked very well. They were just ugly, honestly. You know, I was looking for something that would hold a lot of water but not take a lot of real estate. It keeps water at just the right height at all times as the bees drink the water, or as the sun evaporates it, the feeder will continue to let out just enough water to keep it level. And of course, it's not too deep. That's important. We tried sticks, pellets, bricks, and it all seems so much with this depth. We just fill in some with the landscape, or fill it in with some of the landscape rocks so the bees have something to land on. It's super easy to fill up. A lot of the chicken waters have to be turned upside down to add water back into it. This one, we just unscrew the black lid here on top and just fill it up. And of course, it lasts a long time. That's the important part. Now, with that being said, here are the steps I took to try and attract my bees to this new watering device, since they were busy terrorizing my neighbors in their pools and grass. Kind of felt bad. So to start, I added a little bit of salt to the water. Not much, but you know, I think it was maybe about a single tablespoon for all 3 gallons of it. I remember, I barely talked about the rocks earlier for giving them something to land on, but it actually serves another purpose as well. Bees are attracted to dirty mineral water. The cleaner it is, the less they're attracted to it. And just in case that didn't work, I pulled out my secret weapon. Lemongrass oil, folks. That always does it. Trust me. Just put in a few drops on, just some of the rocks or a little bit in the water. These guys honestly can't resist the stuff. Now, I don't use it on continual refills or anything. Just on the very first time when I'm trying to get the bees to find the water. And honestly, that's it. After that, they just quickly find it, and you'll start noticing a bunch of bees swarming around it. That's really it. So that makes the neighbors happy. It makes me happy. Makes the bees happy. It's a win-win-win situation. So let me know if there are any other questions I can answer. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video or found it helpful.